5 months since I posted my last video, but I'm finally back to creating. There's been multiple life events for me lately. A few months ago, my wife and I moved, and then most exciting for us, we had our first child. Now, for many of us, these life events definitely require our time and effort. However, even before those major life events happened, I kept making excuses why I couldn't make content. For a lot of us out there, myself included, the first step to getting back into the creative mindset is ensuring that the space we created is organized and inspiring. As you can see, my creative space is in a bit of chaos right now, so it's time to clean this place up. Just cleaning up the space already makes a huge difference. Now, the next big step into getting back into the creative rhythm is being consistent. Consistency is what will really help making the biggest difference for your content and making sure you're moving in the right direction. In order to be consistent, the best way to do this is to create some sort of schedule for yourself. This is something I've struggled with for a long time. I tend to overestimate what I can do, and then I end up falling behind, never hitting my goal, and eventually struggling and almost giving up on what I wanted to actually do. To avoid that, when you're creating content, whether that's photography or making videos, underestimate what you can actually do. For example, maybe you want to plan one day a month to go out and do a bunch of photos at a location, or maybe you want to plan to do one video every 2 weeks. Now, if you end up being able to do more than one video every 2 weeks, or you end up being able to go do more shoots than just once a month, you've then gone over your goal, which then gives you the feeling of overachieving your goals and helps you to feel the confidence to keep moving forward with your content. Now, to set a schedule for yourself, I recommend using something like Notion, Docs, Google Calendars, even just notes on your phone. Whatever you currently use to even plan out your typical day, use that to set up your schedule and plan out your content. If you plan out your content and your schedule, then have something to track and stick to. This is important because, again, it helps you stay consistent and keep with the schedule you're setting for yourself. You also are able to review and see what you really can do and what you can't do, and you can make adjustments. Personally, I tend to use Notion. I like the workflow it provides for me, also that I can use it across my PC, my phone, and my laptop. So maybe also try a couple different applications and see what works best for you. If you have tips on how you stay consistent and keep to a schedule, let me know in the comments below. And also, if you're enjoying this content, please feel free to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.